Class 9 children, today we will discuss some very important questions from chapter 18, surface area and volume of 3D solids, cuboid and cube. So question number 13 I have written here, the length, breadth and height of a rectangular solid, actually rectangular solid means it is cuboid, are in the ratio of 5:4:2. So here first length, that means it is a ratio of length, breadth, that means second one is the ratio of breadth, and 2 is the ratio of height. It is not length, breadth, height, but it is the ratio of length, breadth, height. This is very important point to be noted. If the total surface area is 1216 centimeter square, find the length, breadth and height of the solid. So you have to find the actual length, actual breadth and actual height of this particular rectangular solid, that is cuboid, and surface area has been given. So children, very important thing I am going to say you, and it is that whenever ratio of any value is given, then we can write let the length of cuboid equal to 5x. So you can put x here, like for 4 you can write 4x, for 2 you can write 2x. So I can say let the length of the cuboid be 5x centimeter, let the breadth of the cuboid be 4x centimeter, and let the height of the cuboid be 2x centimeter. As there is centimeter square in the area, that means our length, breadth, heights unit will be centimeter. So from here I got this particular part. Now next, the total surface area of cuboid is 1216 centimeter square. So it is given in the question. Now what I will do, whenever value of any formula is given, in the next step I can apply the formula, and total surface area of cuboid is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L, LB plus BH plus HL, and 2 will be here equal to the value of the surface area. Now I will put all these length, breadth, height in this respective places. Length is 5x, breadth is 4x, so 5x into 4x plus 4x into 2x, from here I am putting, plus 2x into 5x, bracket close, 2 is here, and equal to 1216. Now this 2 I am going to take that side, and whenever there is multiplication here, bracket means multiplication, it comes and divides here, like 2 comes this side and divides with 1216. So 2 is vanished from here. Now 5 4 ja 20, x into x, x square, 20x square, plus 4 2 ja 8, x into x, x square, 8x square. Similarly 5 2 ja 10, 10x square. Now if you add all these coefficients, 20x square plus 8x square plus 10x square, it is 38x square, and equal to, if you divide, 2 6 ja 12 and 16 you cannot take at a time. So to take 16 at a time we put 0, and then 2 8 ja 16. Now x square equal to 38 comes and divides with 608, part by part. First with 2 I did, the next I did with 19, finally I got 16. So I can say x square equal to 16, x equal to root over 16, because if we remove square from the left side we get root over on the right side, x equal to 4. Now I will get the actual length, breadth and height. So the length of the cuboid is 5x, I can say therefore the length of cuboid is 5x, but equal to value of x is 5 into 4, that is in place of x I am putting 4. So 5 comes here, 5 4 is 20 centimeter. The breadth of the cuboid is 4x, 4 into 4 is 16 centimeter. The height of the cuboid is 2x, equal to 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. Moving on to the next question. Two cubes each with 8 centimeter edge are joined end to end. So there are two cubes of the same size, and the length of side of the cube is 8 8 8, length also is 8, breadth 8, height also is 8, because in a cube all the sides are equal, length, breadth, height all are equal. So there are such two cubes. So there are two cubes here also, you can see all are 8 8 8. Now they are joined. After joining, the question is find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So very easy, if you join these two cubes, You imagine if you join these two, it will become cuboid. Why cuboid? Because length will increase but breadth and height will be same. Breadth and height will be same but length will increase. That's why it will become cuboid. So, and I can tell you now, when two cubes are joined, the new shape formed is cuboid. And the length of the cuboid will be 8 plus 8, because 8 from here, 8 from here, overall 16 centimeter. But the breadth will be same, because after joining also breadth will be seen here, and this breadth will come in the middle, so you can see 8 only. So breadth will be 8 and height also will be 8. So only length will change. So the question is, find the surface area of the cuboid. So surface area of the cuboid is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Put the respective value. Length is 16, breadth is 8, height is 8. So 2 into 16 into 8 plus 8 into 8 plus 8 into 16, respective value. Now 2 into 16 into 8 is 128 plus 8 8 is 64 plus 8 into 16 is again 128. If you add all these three numbers, 320. So 2 into 320, and finally 640 centimeter square, because in area we put square. One more question I want to discuss, children, the last question from this chapter, and then in the next video some remaining questions I will do. Now 25, a metal cube of edge, again a cube, it is a cube, and its edge is 12 centimeter and is melted and formed into 3 smaller cubes. So a very big cube, a larger cube is melted and it is made 3 smaller cubes. So one larger is melted and another 3 small cubes are made. So from cube we are getting cubes only, but larger one and the other 3 are smaller one. If the edges of the 2 smaller cubes are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter, so in that 3 cubes, the size, the length of the sides of the 2 smaller cubes are given. One is 6 centimeter, the other is 8 centimeter. That means those 3 small cubes are not equal in shape, they are different in shape. 2 of them have been discussed, so you have to find the edge of the third smaller cube. So 2 values have been given, one more edge of the remaining, the last third cube you have to find. So edge and side of a cube is same, so I can say edge or side of a larger cube is, I have denoted with letter L, capital L, because larger, that's why capital L, equal to 12 centimeter given. Edge of the first smaller cube, it is 6, I wrote L1 equal to 6 centimeter, but this is smaller L. For smaller I am writing small L. Now edge or side of a second smaller cube is L2, and that is 8 centimeter. And let, I don't know the third, that's why let the edge of the third smaller cube be L3. L1, L2, L3. This is a technique of writing, and for larger, capital L. All are L, but larger and smaller in the form of L1, L2 and L3. Now according to question, I can say volume of larger cube is equal to volume of 3 smaller cube. Why? Because from larger cube only those 3 small cubes are formed. So these 3 small cubes combined way and one larger cube in a single way. This single cube's volume will be equal to this volume of 3 smaller cubes. Common sense, because from here only this is made. So both the volume will be equal. So formula of volume is L cube, and here for first smaller one will be L1 cube, plus for second one will be L2 cube, plus for third one will be L3 cube. So all these are the volumes formula of a cube. This is for the first smaller one, and this is for second smaller one, and this is for the third smaller one. This is formula, and this is for single larger one. Now largest, like value is 12. 12 into 12 into 12 equal to smaller one is 6 and 8. 6 into 6 into 6 plus 8 into 8 into 8 plus, and this L3 is unknown, L3 cube. We have to find the value of this only, L3, not L cube but L3. Now if you multiply this 3, it is 1728. If you multiply this 666, 216, 888, if you multiply 512, and L3 cube comes here in the same way. If you add these two numbers, 728, it is same here. Now I interchange the position because I have to find L3. So 728 plus L3 cube equal to 1728. So I have changed the side. Now L3 cube equal to 728 goes that side, it becomes subtraction because side has been changed, and after subtraction it is 1000. So L3 equal to, if you remove cube from the left side we get cube root, so L3 will be 10 because cube root of 1000 is 10. So similarly children, you do other questions which I have given homework. Thank you children.